Hello everyone. In this video, you're going to learn a few tricks to avoid your students doing things that you don't want when you're having a Zoom lesson. Like they're chatting to each other in the chat room and they draw on your screen while you're teaching. Also, we'll be looking at some basic skills before you start your lesson. So let's start. First, in order to avoid your students chatting with each other and drawing on your screen, you should go to Advanced Setting. For that, you need a browser. Now I'm using a Google Chrome, but it also works for Safari, Edge, or any other browsers. Once you log in with your account, go to Setting. Now, many of us don't know that there are actually thousands of options in Advanced Setting. So the best way to get what you want is to type the keyword on search. So once you search for annotation, you will see the option. Turn it off, and then no one will be able to draw when you share your screen. Some teachers may tell you that they can do group work on Zoom, but you have no idea how to do it. And for that, you have to turn on the Breakout Room function. Simply search Breakout Room and turn it on. Finally, simply type chat. You can turn off chat room completely. But most of us don't want that because chat room is quite useful for us. But you don't want them to chat among themselves. So you can choose that students can only chat with the host and the co-hosts. Now, a lot of teachers like using two devices while having lesson, one for monitoring and the other one for teaching. Actually, you can use one account to be host and co-host at the same time. The trick is to use meeting and start instead of using the home button. Now, going to my iPad, I should also go to meeting and click start. Then, you can choose to stay as co-host. To avoid sound clashes, I usually choose no audio for the iPad. So back to the laptop, you can now see that you are both host and co-host. One final trick is to play audio only for listening practice. To do so, click Share Screen. But instead of sharing your screen, click Advanced. And you can choose to share only audio. So in this case, you can still see your students while doing listening. I hope you all enjoyed this video and thank you for watching.